Welcome back. Coming to the course NPTEL Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things. Coming to the week 2 assignment 2. So let's go through the questions one by one. Which of the following is not an example of biological megatrend of the fourth industrial revolution? That is Bitcoin. Second question, dash of the manufacturing industry of Industry 4.0 incorporates evaluation of relevant issues and performance metrics. Sustainability assessment. Which of the following is not an element of globalization? None of the above. Which of the following incorporates the knowledge of international and local cultures in business models? Mass customization. Which of the following is true about recession and depression? Duration of recession ranges between a few months to 2 years, whereas that of depression is more than 2 years. Which of the following is true for a lean approach? Looks from customer's perspective. Over processing refers to doing more work in a product than the customer values. Which of the following types of works can be observed in a product's value stream? Value added, incidental, both A and B. Which of the following principles should be followed by for the implementation of people engagement in a lean production system? Learn, do, teach. Smart and connected products help in dash by optimizing the resources. All of the above. The function of digital layer in a smart business model includes all of the above. Which of the following is an advantage of running smart factories? Improved quality. Which of the following is not a component of a smart factory? Smart homes. Which of the following is a supporting technology for smart factories? Smart grid, big data, both A and B. Which of the following is used to operate instruments remotely in smart factories? Augmented reality. Now you can submit your answers. Check out your answers once. I'll scroll down. Thank you.